Alright, so I'm back at this house now. I want to show you what happens. I got the filter grill here. I don't know if you can hear. See that? This grill is just not big enough for what we need. But watch. Can you hear the noise? The air going through there. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to open this up, put a 16 by 25 register filter grill in with a box that goes out that way, and then that'll change this a lot. Alright, so I'm down at the air handler, and you see down at the bottom down there it's got the 14-inch duct, goes up, and that's where it is. So what I'm going to do is take a 16 by 25 plenum, or yeah, it's just a 16 by 25 drop duct, and I'm actually going to extend it to here and put this 14-inch flex at the bottom of it, and that'll free our airflow up. And then when I have that duct off, I'm going to go ahead and wrap the transition. So it'll look good when we're done, and it'll operate. What was happening is when I started the system up the other day, I knew it was overcharged because it just goes right through the wall. So my pressures didn't matter what I did. It was up to 500 pounds on the high side. I went up there and took the filter out, and the pressures dropped down to where they're supposed to be. So anyway, I'm gonna get started. Alright, so here is the got my box in there. Got the outer part of the filter grill. Here's the grill itself. But I had to open this up because there's no other place to run return. So we decided we just open this up from a 14 by 20 to 16 by 25, and we'll walk down here and show you what the box looks like. And there's the box. So I'll mount that return here in just a second, and we'll be ready to get this thing started up. Alright, so it is connected, and I'm fixing to go put a filter in it and turn it on and see what happens. Alright, this unit calls for a 15-degree superheat, and it's been running about 15 minutes. And just a tad low, not much, but just a tad low. And we'll put some Freon in it, get it right around there, and it's about 70 degrees out here, and 74.5. So yeah, it definitely calls just a tad low. So anyway, that worked. Alright, so I'm up here at the filter grill. Yeah, this one still does suck in, but the pressures are really good, and it's not as noisy as what it was a while ago. So, and there is a 14 by 20. See the difference? We opened all that up. So, big difference. Yeah, it still does suck in, but not like it did. And it's a lot less noisier. So we're good to go. Alright, so there is only one thing left to do on this unit. That's to put the sticker on it. That's it.